a short video. Here we go, guys. This one right here takes a few hours, 3 hours per one, to try to get those in there right. Here's the holes. Those are the bolts. Okay, and then you got to get through the tile and everything else that's behind there. So we countersunk there, and then we did this right here in the front, and we put a oak piece in the front. So look at how solid that is, right? It's spanning 8 feet, and so the 2x4 by itself would not have been enough. But here's the deal, okay? Their framing doesn't line up. None of it. It goes all over the place. So we had to figure out where we got to go. So it takes time. You got to have the right tools to locate, because their 2x are metal framed, and they go all over the place from that distance all the way up there to here. They move around. So we had to use our stud finders and things like that. But here we go. That's what it is. It was 3 hours. By the time you set up, you might as well give yourself 4 hours to do all that. To locate all the studs, get through all that granite and porcelain tile, all the stuff that's behind there. And then when you turn the bolts, when you turn these, you can't turn them real fast. Let's see here. These, you can't turn them real fast, because what's going to happen is you're going to overturn, and they won't grab the metal now. They'll strip it. So you got to be careful. We had 3 different screw guns set up so we could make it go faster, but it's still about 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours. We had delays because of lunch and everything, but I'd say 3 hours. And if you're driving somewhere and you got to set up, give yourself 4 hours. Okay? That porcelain is tough to get by. And the bits that we're using, they have to be the carbide tip, but a special kind. Each tip cost about $6. And we went through, in both of these here, we went, I'd say, for every 3 holes, you probably need 1 new drill bit for the porcelain. So we used about 12 bits to get through this whole thing. Okay? Look how thick this is, okay? That tile is thick. Look at that. That's about 1 inch thick. Okay, so that's why it takes so long. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Here's the other one. So we got 2 ready and stuff, and so there